Welcome to Safe Street, an AI powered road damage detection and alert system. I am Allu Ramya and this is our milestone 2 project update. AI powered road damage detection and reporting. SafeStreet uses advanced AI models like Vision Transformer and YOLO V5 to accurately classify road damage and detect model objects. The system accepts images input from the camera or gallery, then predicts the type of damage, its severity, and the recommended action. It returns an annotated image and stores all results automatically in MongoDB. Integrated with a Node.js server over backend, triggers prediction, saves reports with metadata, fetches city names via the OpenCage API, and send alert to nearby user, making it scalable real-time tool for road maintenance authorities. Tech stack and architecture. The front end is built with React.js, style using CSS and AOS for animation. Our backend uses Node.js and Express, while Mongo handles data storage through Mongos. The AI model includes VIT and YOLO V5. We also use OpenCV and Cloudinary for image processing and hosting. Architecture. This diagram shows the safe state architecture. A user capture an image through the mobile app, which then sends the image along with the location data to the backend. The AI model analyzes the damage type and severity, returns a summary and annotated result. The dashboard on the web platform display this report. Milestone 1's goals versus achievements. Let us compare what we planned versus what we achieved in milestone 1. We set out to implement the VIT model, built a mobile app for capturing damage, ensure real time backend processing, send alert, and create a web dashboard. I am happy to report that we have achieved all of these goals. Our models are working, data flows seamlessly, alerts are functioning, and our dashboard display live reports and filter options. Why we choose VIT model? We choose the Vision Transformer model because of its superior image classification capabilities. It performs well with complex and subtle road damage patterns. VIT support multi-output predictions for type and severity. It also lightweight enough for practical use and run efficiently on both CPU and GPU. To complement VIT, we use YOLO V5 for precise object detection and localization. Other model consideration, we also evaluate other models. CNN like ResNet and VGG did not perform well with variations in damage type and lacked multi-task flexibility. YOLO V7 and faster CNN were accurate but too heavy for real-time or mobile use. Deployment decisions and approach. For development, we use lightweight Flex server that integrates easily with our backend. MongoDB was chosen for its flexible document based storage. Images are transmitted using base 64 encoding, and we optimized our model for fast inference even without GPU. We also implemented basic authentication to keep our API access secure. Demo. Now let's see a live demonstration of SafeStreet in action for image capture to damage analysis.
So here is the login page of the mobile app. So first we'll register with the new credentials like name, email ID and password. So now it is registered successfully. We'll log in with the new credentials. So now we are logged in and this is the home page of the mobile app where we can view the world map. And this is the about page which explains about the Safe Street mobile app and how can we upload the photo for the analysis. So here we'll upload the damaged road image along with the state and the live location. This live location directs to the maps, Google Maps, and once we click the upload button, it gets uploaded. So in the news section, we'll be getting the hot news or the recent news, and in the archives layer, we'll be having the upload which we have uploaded for the analysis. Now comes to the MongoDB. Here we have stored the uploaded image path along with the analysis which is from the AI model along with its ID. So now here comes the website where only authorized people can log in. So first we have to register if you are a new user. So as soon as you register, you have to log in again with the new credentials. So here comes our homepage of the website. So this is our uploaded image with the full analysis. It also shows our live location, that is the damaged road live location. And here is the about Safe Street, which explains you the procedure.